one that I ordered, Mama ordered, is wrong. Okay, this is slime. Slime, but it looks like slime, but doesn't feel like. Also, this is the container. Wait, let me get the extra bits. Mama, can you open this? My sticking to my clothes. Maybe that's why I should not put it. Okay. Wait. Okay. There's something in here, but actually it's still here. I'll show you. It's covered in slime. And it's like a leaf. Wait, I'll show you too. I will just look. See, do you see it? Or you know what it is? What? Mama, what's this? Mama, what's this? That's just the baby. Mama. Hungry. Ooh, slimy. Mama, can you get this? I don't know what this is. Yes, they're on the black one. The black one, the plastic. Okay. Goodbye.